Imagine a world where BTC is no longer the king of cryptocurrencies. Ethereum now is emerging as a more versatile and promising digital asset. Over the last few years, Ethereum has been quietly positioning itself to challenge BTC dominance in the crypto market. With its technological innovations, utility, and growing institutional support, Ethereum is steadily marching towards potentially overtaking Bitcoin. But is Ethereum really on the verge of replacing BTC as the leader? And why is it attracting so much attention from institutional investors? Before diving deeper into why Ethereum could soon replace BTC, let me invite you to subscribe to my channel. There I share my strategies, entry points, and market analysis free of charge. You will gain exclusive insights into some of the best cryptocurrency projects and receive updates on key price movements across the market. Don't miss out on the chance to stay ahead of the curve. Why Ethereum is becoming more and more popular? Ethereum's popularity has surged over the past few years, particularly among institutional investors. While BTC remains a household name, its use case as a store of value or digital gold is limited. Ethereum, on the other hand, offers so much more. It isn't just a cryptocurrency, it's a decentralized platform that enables the creation of smart contracts, decentralized applications, and a multitude of other projects within the blockchain ecosystem. So, what's making Ethereum more attractive, especially to big money? First of all, BTC was built with one primary function in mind to serve a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. Ethereum, however, was designed to be a multifunctional blockchain platform where decentralized applications and smart contracts could be executed. This has created a whole new universe of possibilities, from decentralized finance protocols to non-fungible tokens, NFT, and enterprise solutions. Ethereum's network continues to expand at an unprecedented rate. As of 2024, Ethereum has over 250 million unique wallet addresses, a staggering increase from just 34 million in 2018. These demonstrate not only the growth in individual users, but also developers and institutional players leveraging Ethereum's blockchain for various purposes. Compare this with Bitcoin's more static number of 48 million wallets, and the difference in adoption and versatility becomes clear. By the way, major institutional players are showing growing interest in Ethereum. Companies like JP Morgan, Microsoft, and Intel are already utilizing Ethereum's blockchain through projects like the Enterprise Ethereum Alliance. Even traditional financial institutions such as Grayscale have expanded their Ethereum offerings, viewing it as a hedge against inflation and a foundation for future blockchain infrastructure. Grayscale's Ethereum Trust holds approximately 4 billion worth of Ethereum as of 2024, compared to 300 million just 3 years prior. With Ethereum's shift from proof of work to proof of stake, the blockchain becomes far more energy efficient. Proof of stake reduces Ethereum's carbon footprint significantly, making it more appealing to environmentally cautious investors. Ethereum 2.0 also increases network capacity, enabling the system to handle up to 100,000 transactions per second once fully implemented. This is a massive improvement from the 30 TPS in earlier iterations, which drew criticism for slow transaction speeds and high fees. The big question everyone asking is, can Ethereum actually surpass Bitcoin in market value and influence? Some analysis and market experts believe it's not just possible, but inevitable. While BTC continues to dominate as a digital asset, it's Ethereum's vast ecosystem that's turning heads. Decentralized finance protocols, decentralized exchanges, and even NFTs are all built primarily on Ethereum. This gives it a much broader range of applications than just BTC. Bitcoin's value is largely speculative now, driven by the belief that it will retain or increase its value over time. But Ethereum is valuable because it does things. It runs applications, powers decentralized finance, and underpins new financial products. As more and more users rely on Ethereum's blockchain for these activities, Ethereum demand continues to grow. Ethereum's market capitalization reached an all-time high of $570 billion during the 2021 bull run. So if Ethereum is set to replace BTC, what happens to BTC? It's important to remember that BTC's status as a store of value isn't likely to disappear overnight. BTC could remain the gold standard in the crypto world, primarily acting as a hedge against economic instability. However, as Ethereum continues to innovate and offer new solutions to real-world problems, it's entirely possible that Ethereum will become the dominant force in this space, with BTC playing a secondary, more passive role. Why Ethereum is better from a technological standpoint? Ethereum has already surpassed BTC in several ways. Here are just a few reasons why Ethereum is superior. Smart contracts. While BTC is designed for financial transactions, Ethereum allows the creation and execution of smart contracts agreements that self-executive once predefined conditions are met. This has opened the door for everything from decentralized finance to the automation of countless business processes. Layer 2 scaling solutions. Ethereum network has been criticized for high fees and slow transaction times, but Layer 2 solutions such as Optimism and Arbitrum are already addressing these issues. These scaling solutions make Ethereum far more efficient and capable of handling larger volumes of transactions compared to BTC. Beyond just individual or retail users, Ethereum is being adopted by major corporations. For example, Consensus, a major blockchain software company, has developed enterprise solutions on Ethereum for companies like UBS and BP. Ethereum-based DeFi protocols alone have locked in over $100 billion in total value, showcasing the incredible financial infrastructure that Ethereum supports. Several large-scale institutional investors have shifted their focus from BTC to Ethereum, seeing greater potential for long-term growth. Grayscale, one of the largest crypto investment firms, has seen its Ethereum holdings grow to $4 billion. Meanwhile, investment banks like JP Morgan, which has historically been cautious about crypto, are actively developing projects using Ethereum. JP Morgan's blockchain platform Quorum, built on Ethereum by the way, handles everything from trade finance to settlement for financial contracts. Additionally, Fidelity Digital Assets has started offering institutional clients Ethereum investments options, seeing increasing demand from hedge funds and family offices who view Ethereum as the future of decentralized finance and blockchain infrastructure. Guys, if you want to be a part of the next crypto revolution and receive real-time insights on Ethereum and other altcoins, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I share entry points, analysis, and trading strategies that will keep you ahead of the game. Let's conclude now. The future is bright for Ethereum. In the battle between Ethereum and BTC, it's clear that Ethereum has the technological edge. Its versatility, scalability, and rapidly growing ecosystem make it the more attractive option for institutional money. While BTC may still serve as a store of value, Ethereum is positioning itself as the backbone of the decentralized world, and it's only a matter of time before its market value reflects that. Ethereum is the future. The only question, are you ready to be part of it?